The President-elect of the Republic of Ghana is here. The nation builder is here. Please, let's play the Nina perimeter should be played now. Ladies and gentlemen, shall we all remain standing? Shall we rise to our feet? His Excellency is here, accompanied by the Vice President-elect of the Republic of Ghana. Please remain standing. Vice President-elect, Professor Nana Jane Obukwajima. Let us rise for a change. Please, those by the two vehicles, some of you will have to clear off, so that His Excellency can step down.
John Mahama is the man for us. Oh, Ghana needs a change. Let us rise for a change. And renew. A voice for Mahama is a voice for Ghana. Ghana needs the best thing. We are all the
comes the President-elect, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is here with us. Please, shall we all rise to our feet as he makes his way to the high table.
We need a man with vision to lead. John Mahama is the.
This is the day the Lord has made. This is the day the Lord has made. This is the day the Lord has made. And we will rejoice and be glad in it. His Excellency is accompanied by the incoming First Lady of the Republic of Ghana, Her Excellency Lordina Mahama.
Let us rise for a giant story and reign. A voice for Mahama is a voice for Ghana.
Thank you. Thank you. Media, can you return to your place? DJ, can you kindly bring down the music? Thank you very much. As we wait for the media to take their position, let me acknowledge the presence of all branch executives who are here, ward executives who are here, constituency executives of the NDC who are here, regional executives of the NDC who are here, and national executives of the NDC who are here. We also recognize the leadership of the NDC parliamentary group in Parliament. We recognize the presence of the MP for Tamale South, Honorable Haruna Idrusu. Honorable Kwame Agboja, we see you, we acknowledge you. Former Deputy Chief of Staff, Dr. Valerie Sawyer. We recognize your presence, Dr. Manebuama, our elections director.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.